Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Fiesta ZETEC hatch, stock reference number 5687. The shape runs from the 8th month 2008 through to the 1st month 2011. It has an SPJ 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. SPJ 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Bonnet appears to have no damage. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right fog light, left fog light, left headlight, left guard has one dent, power door mirror, left hand, faded cover, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror has a faded cover, right guard has 1 small dent, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.